Hello, my name is Jason Skronsky with Coldwell Banker Real Estate, and I'd like to welcome you to a new listing that I've picked up recently. These are the villas at Twin Shores Marina. An amazing collection of 4 condos, each 1 bedroom, 1 bath. This close to the water, it's gonna be tough to beat. Quintessential Longboat Key says you have to spend about $1 million to be 10 steps from your boat. Not necessarily the case here. All these units brand new, 20-inch diagonal lay tile, soft close drawer, new appliances, 3-centimeter granite, and again, you're 10 steps from your boat. If you'd like a little bit more information, please feel free to contact me. I'm at 941-812-6090. Thanks for taking a look.